Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm unboxing the November Purpose Driven Essentials box. And once again, there's all kinds of fun goodies in here. I'm always so surprised. This is such a fun little happy mail, and it's kind of nice not knowing what's in next month's box. So if you're not familiar with Purpose Driven Essentials, they are a faith-based subscription box company. And they are encouraging you to subscribe ahead of time. So like right now you will be purchasing and ordering December's box, but here's a look at November's box. You can still order this month's box, but it's always kind of fun to order it without knowing what's in there. I don't know about you. These boxes are super fun for gift giving. This particular one is the Inspire box, and it's kind of geared towards Bible journaling and faith art journaling, but there's lots of other goodies in here. If that's not your thing, there is plenty in here value-wise for those of you for just other faith-based products. So let's dive in and take a look at November's box. I do have a link down below. It's an affiliate link, so just heads up, I do get credit. And if you are a first-time purchaser, there is a coupon code down there for you as well, I believe. So check that out. So here is everything that's packed full of this box. It's so awesome. And it's November, so we are in that kind of gratitude documented theme, and this box goes right along with that, but there are some differences too. So here's your packing list, gives you an idea of everything that comes in the box. There are 11 things plus a bonus if you pre-ordered last month. So let's say in October you pre-ordered November's box, they have a little bonus for you in here for doing that pre-order. So, and I think that that's something that they're gonna start doing. So you wanna get in and order December's box now so you can get that bonus. You've got some information about the November box and kind of the theme and some of their like reasonings behind the things that they included, and then some information about purpose-driven essentials themselves. So super awesome. I always love supporting Christian-based companies, and so they do send these boxes to me each month for review, but I can track your guys's, like I can track how many people are using my code, and there are a lot of you who are ordering it, and so I love that you guys are supporting them that way. So let's dive in and take a look at everything that's in here. You've got a little flare, attitude of gratitude, handpicked by God, little flare pin. How cute is that? And it's like little corn. So again, gift giving. So if you want to piece this out and have little treats for your kids and treats for your friends, and maybe just send it to a friend, there's lots of fun little goodies in here. Like this flare pin is really cute. Let's see. Oh, some information about their Cyber Monday mega sale. So they're going to have a huge sale on November 26th. And so there's going to be limited time only. It says crazy deals on overstock inventory and previous kits. So you don't want to miss that on November 26th. So log in and see what they've got going over there. Each month we get a little treat, and this month is this really cute Big T's Honey Bee Farm. You've got a stick of honey and then some honey candies, and then some information about Big T's Honeybee Farm, and they partner with smaller mom and pop companies for a lot of the products in here, and I just love that they do that. So you've got your little treat. I'm gonna pull this out in case I need to reference what's in here. You've got some stickers from Pebbles, and these are different like autumn themed phrase stickers. There's 84 of them. A little bird told me happy autumn, a little bunny told me gratitude, hello there. So it looks like there are 2 sheets of stickers in here. That is awesome. So if you are somebody who's doing gratitude documented, it's not too late to order this kit because it goes through the whole month. And I don't know about you, but I really use up a lot of product during gratitude documented. And so here's some extra little stickers that you can use while you're documenting. Okay, you've got a book. So each month there's usually like a devotional book, or sometimes there's been a movie. This month we've got Hope Your Heart Needs 52 Encouraging Reminders of How God Cares for You. So a 52 little like devotionals, and it looks like they are several, yeah, a few pages for each devotional. So if you're looking for a devotional to go through, and maybe not just, maybe you're picking up some of those popular Bible journaling kits and you're just feeling like the devotional content is not deep enough for you and you're looking for deeper devotional, there is this book in here. So this is really great. Or pass it along, we're gearing up for Christmas, so this might be a good thing to pass along as a Christmas gift to somebody. Let's see, I'm going to save that for just a second. You've got, they always have some sort of devotional content that's put together by the Purpose Driven Essentials team. And so let's see, this is going to be, okay, so attitude of gratitude, little devotional here. So there are these little cards on like patterned paper on a ring here, and it says, join us for the next 30 days as we embark on a journey to be thankful in all things and at all times. No matter how difficult the circumstances, we can choose to be grateful for something. Gratitude can change your whole perspective. And it's written by Melissa Simpson. So if you are getting a late start on this, let's say you're ordering now, you can use this for Advent if you wanted to. I think, you know, focusing on gratitude during Advent season is a great thing. And it's not too late to jump in. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of falling behind on my 30 days of gratitude documented. And so I'll sit down and do several days at one time. So if you were to order this, you've still got plenty of time to jump in and work through this. So it looks like, okay, so there's different topics. So vision, Proverbs 29:18, waiting, healing, answers, so several prompts. So sticking with that same kind of prompt theme. Mornings, thankful for mornings, thankful for promises. So I like that it's nice and simple. And maybe if you're already working on another project, you can still grab this and save it for after we get through the holiday season and you want to jump in and maybe do another one of these partway through the year. This would be a great one to do. So you've got 30 days of gratitude there. Got a little fun autumn themed paper clip. Let this pin mark your space until you return to take its place. That's cute. So little bookmarker there. You got 2 rolls of American Crafts glitter tape. So a yellow gold and then like an antique gold glitter washi. Love that. So again, it is kind of focused around Bible journaling and faith art journaling. So they're products that you can use for that. I'm all about gold glitter. So you've got that to use. This is really fun. So it's a stamp set from One Canoe 2, and this is the Twilight stamp set, and it's a layering set. So you've got a solid that you can stamp into color, and then a lined image that you can go in with a darker color or black and layer up to make little floral bunches. And then you've got the word blessed, the word love, and some leaves and things like that. So I love these layering stamp sets. I'll try to show this in an upcoming video for you guys. Maybe a Tip Tuesday will be about layering stamps. That's a really nice quality stamp, and I like that it's a versatile one that you can use again and again, even after gratitude documented. Depending on what colors you use, you can get a lot of use out of the stamp set. And so they do also include a reinkable stamp pad from Charles Leonard. I am not familiar with this company, and so I have never tried this out. But so it's a black ink pad. Of course, what we're all going to want to know is, does this bleed? So we can test this out in my Bible. Okay, so let's get through the box, and then I'll pull out my illustrating Bible and we'll stamp that out and take a look and see how that works out. You got a CD from Phillips Craig Dean. Now, this is the first time that I have received a CD from a group that I'm not familiar with. So that'll be kind of nice to try out something new. This is the Fearless CD. You've got a Heidi Swap journal. So if you wanted to, let's say you're not comfortable with Bible journaling and that's not your thing, they've included a unlined notebook. So you could work through your 30 days of gratitude in this notebook, use your stamps and your washi tapes just to quickly kind of dress it up and work through those prompts in this really pretty gold foiled notebook. And then, oh, this is really cute. This is their bag. So every month they have a bag. That way you can store your goodies in there for the month if you want. And it is the burlap, like the traditional Purpose Driven Essentials burlap on the outside. And this really fun orange polka dot on the inside with a zipper. This is awesome. This is one of my favorite bags, I think. I love these for storing my pens and stickers when I go away, you know, for makeup and things like that in my purse. So there's going to be a lot of use. And you can stamp on this with Stays On ink. So if you wanted to stamp maybe your flowers or something on the front of that, you could do that and kind of dress up the front if you wanted. And then here's the bonus. If you ordered your kit early and subscribed early, then you get a little bonus bracelet. This goes along with the necklace that they had a couple months ago. So it's this little silver infinity bracelet. It's really, really cute. It'd be great for layering up. So I love that they just includes such a variety of products, you know, for journaling and just, I don't know, just Christian lifestyle type goodies. I love that. So there's a look that's of everything that comes in November's kit. Let me leave these out because I'll show you how to stamp those real quick. Okay, so I have the Illustrating Bible. This is the one that's from Illustrated Faith and Dayspring. You can see I've already tested out a lot of product in here. So let's take a look. I'll show you both how to use these layering stamps, and we'll take a look at this black ink pad and see how it does. So I'm going to start, I like to start with the most solid image. So I've picked this solid floral there, and I'm going to stamp with some Gina K ink. I know this one bleeds through. It's a dye-based ink, but it has really pretty colors. So I'm going to go ahead and just ink up that solid image. And let's go ahead and we'll stamp this up here. And this particular ink is really splotchy when it first stamps down, and then as it dries, it evens out and smooths out. So let's set that aside. And then now you can go in with the lined image. So I'm going to take the medium-sized lined image, and you can see that's the one that fits over that. And I'm going to hit this with my heat tool just a little bit. Okay, so you can see it's still a little splotchy just because of the way this paper is, but it smooths out quite a bit. I'm going to stick another stamp block underneath here when we go in with this. So I'm going to work with that black ink pad that comes in the kit this month. I'm going to ink that up. Let me stamp this on scrap cardstock and see what that looks like. Okay, so yeah, so it is, it looked like it was kind of beading on my stamp, so I wasn't sure, but okay. And so then you're just going to line this up. It looks like this is meant to be kind of imperfect. I will say this ink pad's kind of recessed into here, and so you can't like get in there easy with a big block, so just keep that in mind. And then this is going to kind of go here. And that gives you your floral detail. It doesn't look like it bled through. Let's go ahead and stamp just the black and see how that does. And you can see you just want to be careful you don't get the ink on your stamp block getting into that ink pad, because I got some on the page there. But no, it's not bleeding through. So let's dry it and see how it does with water over the top of it, because that's usually my other, usually if it doesn't bleed through, it's not waterproof. You get one or the other. So let's test it out. Okay, so let's go in with a little bit of water and see. Yeah, it is moving a little bit. So it's not waterproof, but it doesn't bleed through your pages. So if you're just wanting to stamp and not use water over the top of it, then this ink pad will work for that. I am surprised. I've never heard of that brand before, and it's actually a pretty good little ink pad. So that's nice that they include that, especially if, you know, you're new to stamping and you're just wanting to kind of try it out. This is a great way to do that, especially if you're not familiar with these clear stamps. You do have to have an acrylic block or some kind of something like this to attach the stamps to, and then I just wipe them off with a baby wipe, and then they're reusable and good to go. So it's kind of nice if you're new to stamping. It gives you the opportunity to kind of test it out and try it out. So there is a look at everything that comes in the box. Be sure to check out the description box down below for links to this month's Purpose Driven Essentials box, and you can get a head start on ordering next month's. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.